So my name is Санг-Ву Мун, so working at Nazarbayev University as an associate professor. It is the first time to participate in this kind of competition. So the title for this competition is the sustainable, it's kind of application of BOF slag, converter slag. So BOF slag to the subgrade soil stabilization. The main idea of this project is to apply the industrial waste for the soil stabilization in road construction area. The Kazakhstan has the huge road infrastructure road construction plant, and at the same time our steel plant has produces lots of the industrial waste, which is a converter slag. So we can use the industrial waste for the road construction area.